Okay, so today I'm testing out this Revlon One Step, what's it called? Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So, just a little backstory. I don't love round brushing hair. It's time consuming, I'm impatient, especially when it comes to my own hair. The only person's hair that I will round brush is my mom's, and that's because I love her and it's so satisfying to do her hair. But you know, if you've ever tried to round brush your own hair, it's kind of tricky to like hold the brush, hold the blow dryer in the right angle to get the right volume in the right places. So I've never used this on myself, but I have used it on my mom's hair and I like what I've seen. I've liked using it. It seems like it's efficient, it's fast, it's good. But I have been wanting to try it on my own hair. So I wanted to see what I thought of this for self-use and see if I'd actually keep using it or what my experience was with it. So I'm really excited to try this today. I got it on Amazon for like $41.99 or something, which is cheaper than my favorite blow dryer, plus you don't need to buy a round brush. But I'm gonna throw it back to when I did the beachy curls video, and you can just see that I just paddle brush my hair. And I try to get my volume with other heat tools when I'm done, just because I hate round brushing my hair. So if this works out, I may use this instead of my paddle brush hair dryer combo. So I have not opened this yet. I haven't peeked, I haven't tried it, I haven't done anything at all. So for faster results, towel dry hair to remove excess water, then use the low setting on fine or thin hair and the high setting on thick and coarse hair. Use the cool setting to lock in the style. Okay, so I guess I'll just clip up the top half. I don't know where to start. I'm actually a little bit surprised that it kind of hurts. It's kind of pulling my hair. Maybe I didn't brush it good enough. Maybe I let down too much hair. I guess brush through each section. Okay, so far I like that. My hair looks smooth, it's good, but it did get pretty dang hot. So, let's move on. So just like with any other hot tool, make sure to use a heat protectant. I wish I would have added some oil to my ends when I was all done because my ends did feel a little bit drier than usual throughout the rest of the day. So just make sure you're protecting your hair no matter what heat tools you're using. So it does take a minute to go through each section to get it all dry and smooth, but comparing it to blow drying my hair and then straightening it after, I do think this still gives me more volume. So far I like it. I think it's gonna take me a little longer than I usually take to do my hair, but I can tell it is smoother, which is nice because then I won't have to do anything to it after. So I guess I have to decide overall style time, is this faster? So far blow dry time is not faster, but if I don't have to style it after, maybe it's worth it. I'm a little surprised how much it hurts like pulling, but it could just be my hair type. And I've also learned so far if I can't get under it to round brush it, it's better to brush it down first and then get, like, it'll get a little drier and smoother. Then I can round brush it for some volume. And I really do like this. You really need to use this, and I like that a lot.
I love how it gets rid of the curl right from the root. I didn't need to go in and touch up any pieces at all.
I also really like that my hair doesn't fall out of this. Even when I'm moving the brush, it just stays in there, which is really nice because then you don't have to re-pick up the piece and do it. And I actually cut some curtain bangs for a video that I ended up not posting or editing because it wasn't very clear. I want to retry and do that. But I'm going to show you how you can style curtain bangs.
I love that I can just spin the brush again and again without worrying about like how to hold the round brush and blow dryer or whatever. I also love that the cord spins around and never gets tangled. That's really nice. And here's a trick for getting volume no matter what tool you're using. Lift the hair straight up or even over direct the hair in the opposite direction, so that when it falls back down, it's left with some volume at the root. My hair felt light and bouncy for the rest of the day. That was cool. And then to be able to dry your hair and straighten your hair without getting it too straight and also getting volume at the same time is really nice. It really is a one-step styler like it says on the box.
It says you can use the cool setting to set it. I don't care. Do you guys see how it styled my bangs so nicely? I love it. And honestly, I wouldn't do anything else. I don't feel like I need to straighten it. I don't think I need to do anything. Usually the top layers of my hair are really frizzy and so this is pretty dang good. Okay, so I liked it. I had a little rough go at first, just like getting through the half wet, half dry hair without pulling it. But once I learned to like kind of go over the hair straight down first, it kind of would brush it through and dry it a little bit, enough for me to round brush it, so I liked that. I really liked this handle. I liked that my hair would stay in the brush no matter what I did with it, and I really liked that I didn't have to use my blow dryer and brush. Even though I know how, it's still a pain. It's still a pain to hold this, do your blow dryer. Your hands get tired, your arms get tired. And so that was really cool. Definitely gets hot enough to style your hair quickly and smoothly, but if you touch this part, it will burn you. I kind of got burned on the back there. But for $40, I mean, I think it's worth it. I think it's awesome. I could do that and be ready for the day just fine. I don't have to worry about straightening my hair. I don't have to worry about curling my hair. I did get a little sweaty. So I would just say it's probably awesome for short-haired girls who can just go right through the ends of their hair. It'll give them so much volume. It'll be like so fast, so awesome. For long hair, it still worked just fine, but just took a little bit longer, obviously, because I have more hair, I have more length. And so I really liked in the front that I could just do my bangs without having to worry about the blow dryer and brush combo once again. So yeah, I think it did a great job, and I would recommend it. Awesome, cool. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.